Welcome scalpers, Reece Cadaval here, ultimatescalper.com. We're looking at the NQ on 30-second candles, Ultimate AI Pro, and we're going to see if we can trade on 30-second candles. Alright, I changed the ultimate zones to show up at 5 minutes, and we may get a bounce off this one here.
Order submitted.
So we are pre-market, and I want to just see how much I can make before the actual market opens. Okay, I have a green dot here. It flashed magenta, maybe a bounce off of the ultimate zone back up to the blue line for a quick scalp if that happens.
Order filled. Stop
Quickly getting
filled.
my stop in. 50 bucks. Alright, see it bounced off this blue line and came back.
Order submitted.
Don't want to take this right into the blue line now. But breakout of the signal candle looked like it did work. Alright, a bunch of good signals here going long.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Next signal is here. It's got to come through the blue line again for me to get in on this. But it's 30-second candle is going to go quick, so I'm going to get a move up here if it has any kind of reaction to these ultimate zones right here. I'll take a breakout of the body
Order filled.
if that happens, and it did. Things happen too quickly on the 30-minute chart. That's why I just keep the camera rolling. Unlike the 1 and 5 minute, I just try to capture the trades I'm taking so it's not so boring. 30 seconds, a little bit different. I just keep the camera going. So I apologize for the boring parts.
Stop filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Coming up on the blue line right here, so this could turn on me quickly. And yeah, I could have saved some commissions on that last trade if I didn't follow so tight with my stop. This was a breakout here of this sell line called the backside.
Stop filled.
Okay, and I'm out. There's still some time before the market opens for a couple more trades, maybe.
Order submitted.
Signal here on the other side of the blue line. Price has got to come all the way back up, though, for this to fill. All right, this would be right at the blue line. Don't know that I want to take that because of the resistance I'll get. I mean, it worked here very well and worked coming down very well. You have to really make up your mind quickly on the 30-second chart because it doesn't give you much time to think. And I end up passing up on a lot of trades that would have worked really well by pondering. I have an offset of 5 ticks here. If I feel more aggressive, I can take it earlier. Got a green arrow there as it broke through, and it's getting a little resistance at the line here, but it looks like it's still working. I could get a breakout of that signal candle. Here's the signal, or there's a backside here going short as well.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
I didn't get my order filled.
Order canceled.
Didn't pick up my order. That was a nice move. Price is hovering at the blue line here. Most every signal has produced. This will have to break out of the high of this candle, this green dot. But again, it's right at the blue line.
Order submitted.
Don't really like to take these right here, but yeah, I'm not going to. However, every time I stay away from taking trades into the blue line, they end up working out really good. Yeah, it looked like it worked. So far it's working all day except for right here. Nice breakout here. I gotta start taking those more often. See how price broke through this, went up. Every time price breaks this line, it's going very nice. Price staying in between these two ultimate zones right now. And we are pre-market still. I am on the West Coast time zone. So I have to get up really early to do this.
Order canceled.
Here's a small red arrow starting to show up. And if it pulls back below the low here, I could get in.
Order submitted.
If you look at the pattern, it's looking like a little flag right now. Generally sideways, a little hint of downward movement. Still some time to get another trade in here before the market opens in New York. Looking like a flag. Nice triangle here.
Order filled.
Don't really like this trade. This price is in a zone right here that doesn't know what it wants to do, so I'm going to have to get out of this quickly. It goes bad.
Stop filled.
Lost money on that. Being too cautious. Turned out to be a nice trade, and I was too cautious with my stop.
Order submitted.
All the signals have been right, though, so far. It's my own psychology that's screwing me up.
Order filled.
A little too tight.
Stop filled.
Okay. Alright, back up to 559. Getting killed on commissions, but it's the name of the game. See how price is just cycling around this blue line really closely. Breakout of the signal candle. Looks like it produced two, and I missed that. There's going to be so many trade signals and opportunities with Ultimate AI Pro here. You're just going to have to choose the ones you want. And especially on the 30-second chart, they're going to be coming left and right.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Not looking good. Don't like this. I'm going to have to cut my loss here if it doesn't go down. Everything's saying it's going down. Everything's all the signals, but again, I'm at the blue line here, which I don't like trading on. Play it safe and get out.
Stop filled.
All right, now I'm down 417 because of this damn blue line.
Order submitted.
The great thing about these 30-minute charts, 30-minute candles, is you can really keep your losses small. All right, we're just sideways right now.
Order canceled.
Hey, only a few more minutes till I'm going to stop before the open. I've got no signals right now. All this was pointing down. I decided to bail out early here, cut my loss, and now it's going down. That's fine.
Order submitted.
Looks like it had a nice move down with all these down signals. Again, had I stayed in, I would have made money. But because the signals are working, the system is great. Psychological factors. Dot has to break this high right here, but it's right at the blue line.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Made me no money.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled. Order submitted.
Right here's the backside that's working right now.
Order canceled.
And I was focused on going up.
Order submitted.
Here is a red dot. Breakout of this low would be a good fill, a good trade. Would be the trigger for this.
Order filled. Stop filled.
I gotta keep the stop a little less tight.
Order submitted.
But look at, see what happens? That's why I keep it tight.
Order canceled.
Alright, still in the same range on the P&L, and the commissions are killing me. May have time for maybe one more trade. Try to get a little cushion before my trading day starts. Here's a little reaction to the ultimate zone up here. Price shooting through it.
Order submitted.
Here's a small dot. I'll take it at the body breakout.
Order filled.
This will be my last trade before the market opens. I think I'm pushing it, getting too close to the market open. Got to get what I can out of this quickly.
Stop filled.
All right. 800.